Hello everyone. So in this session we will discuss about what is data science and everything about data science. Okay. So we will discuss what is data science, the course content, which language to choose, why Python. Basically we are going to use Python. So we will see why we choose Python. Okay. Then we will see some pandas basics. Okay. So let me write the agenda here. So first we will see what is data science. Okay, then second we will see which language to choose. Okay, then we will see why Python. Then we will see, then we will cover the course content, like we will discuss the course content, and then we will see the pandas basics. Okay, before basics, we will see the installation process. Okay, so let's understand what is data science, which language to choose for the data science, okay, etc. So basically, data science is a term for the whole set of tools and techniques, okay, by which to analyze data and extract meaningful insight from that. Okay, so data science is all about analyzing the data, okay, like just preparing the data and then analyzing it, okay, so that you can extract the meaningful insights from that. Like you can extract the meaningful data or meaningful predictions from that. That is data science, okay. So it makes use of scientific methods, processes, algorithms to make this happen. Okay, so we can mention here what is data science. Okay, so here data science is a term for a whole set of tools and techniques by which to analyze data and extract meaningful insights from that. Meaningful insights or meaningful predictions from it. So it makes use of scientific methods, processes, and algos. That is algorithms to make this happen. Okay, that is data science. So basically, data science is all about analyzing the data and extracting meaningful insights from it, or we can say that meaningful predictions from that. Okay, that is all about data science, analyzing and like extracting meaningful insights or meaningful data from it. Okay, that is known as the data science. Now, basically, which language to choose for the data science? Basically, we have two languages, the popular ones, that is Python, and second one is R. Okay, so basically, we will use Python for upcoming sessions. Okay, for this tutorial or for this course, for the data science course, we will use Python. Now, why Python? Why we choose Python? Basically, first, Python is easy to understand and it is easy to use. Okay, so Python is easy to use and understand. Okay, second, Python is a general purpose. Okay, which means Python can be used everywhere. We can use Python everywhere. Like we can use Python in data science, in ML, in AI, in DS. Okay, we can use Python in security, networking, etc. That is why we will use Python. That is a general purpose. Okay, so we will use Python in DS and ML. Okay. Next, Python is a dynamic language. Python supports object-oriented programming approach. Like we have like many features of Python. Okay. So for this, for our course, we will use Python as a main language for studying the data science. Okay. So data science is like a term. Okay. So in the data science, we will like play with the like sets of data. Okay. Like huge amount of data. So for that, we have to collect the data from somewhere. So we will use Kaggle for the source for that. Okay. So we will collect data from Kaggle and we will collect data from the GitHub, etc. Okay, that will be see. Now, the installation process, basically we will use softwares like Python, and then we will use Jupyter. Okay, for the for this course we will use Python as a language and Jupyter as a IDE. Okay, that is known as integrated development environment. Okay, that will be used. Okay, so what are the basic requirements to start the course? What should you know to start the course? So basically, you can go for Python. First, you have to be you have to be you have a clear understanding of a Python language, like the Python basics, not advanced, only basics, basics like fundamentals. Okay. Then second, data types. Okay. Loops, conditionals. Okay. And functions. How to open a file, that is known as the file operations. Okay. So file operations and REST operators. Okay. Data types manipulations, that is known as data types, functions and methods. Okay. Functions and methods. Okay. And more else. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so for starting the Python, like for starting a career in the data science, you have to be clear about the Python basics. Okay, so please clear up Python basics before starting the data science. Okay, basics like fundamentals of Python, data types, loops, conditionals, that is if else, functions, okay, file operations, operators, and data types, functions, and methods. Okay, if you want to check out the videos of the Python, so you can check it out from here. So you can search for the YouTube channel. From YouTube, you can search for the channel name, that is JNtech. Okay, now from here you can click on here from the playlist. Okay, and you can check out the Python videos, like Python course from here. Okay, like in both English and Hindi. So you can check it out. Okay, if you want to clear your Python basics, that is enough. Okay, and rest, if you want to check out the Python course content, then you can visit the JNtech website from here. Now, from here, you can click on simple Python, scroll down. Now, from here, you can check out the Python course content if you want to enroll in the Python course before data science, because Python is very important for studying the data science, because we will do everything in Python, not in R, in Python. And why Python? Because Python is a very easy to use and understand. Okay, it is a general purpose. Basically, we can use Python everywhere. It is a open source, it is a dynamic, and it is a high level language. Okay, so this is like the basic requirements to start a career in the data science. Okay, and the softwares we are going to use are Python. Okay, and Jupyter. Basically, Jupyter notebook. Okay, so let's move to course content of Python. Sorry, of data science. So this is the course content of data science. In this, we have around 15 modules. Okay, so let's understand one by one. So first we have into DS. Okay, in this we will see what is data science. Okay, where we can use data science, the technologies, the techniques, the methods, the flow chart of data science, like the processes of the data science. Okay, like the life cycle. Okay, in the module number second, we'll see the environment setup. Okay, like how we can set up Python, how we can set up Jupyter. Okay, how we can get familiar with the Python as well as Jupyter notebook, so that we can use it easily. Okay, in the module number three, we will see Jupyter overview. Okay, that is like the Jupyter notebook. Okay, like how to install it, how to use it, how to be like get familiar with the Jupyter environment, like how to check out for the keyboard shortcuts, etc. That we will see. So in the module number 4, we will see the Python crash course. Okay. So in this we will cover like some more basics. Okay. But it is like it should be a plus point if you like if you know these basics before moving to data science. Okay. Otherwise we will cover the basics part although. But please like be familiar with the Python before studying for the data science. Okay. Before moving to data science. So you can go for the Python crash course. Okay, so we will cover some more basics like fundamentals, functions, conditionals, like loops, etc. Okay, that we will see in some exercises and solutions. Okay, then in module number 5, we will start the main data science course, that is main data science technologies, that is NumPy. So basically, for as we know that we are going to use Python for the data science. Okay, and Python is a very powerful language. Okay, so we will use Python with data science. Okay. Now, in Python, we will use libraries for the data science. That is pandas. Okay. NumPy, matplotlib, Seaborn, Cufflinks, Plotte. Okay, so these are the libraries we will see. Like pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, Seaborn, Cufflinks, Plotte. Okay, so these are the libraries we will like understand. We will see in the Python course content. Now, basically, data science follow a particular flowchart. Like there's a step in the data science, like how we can start the analyzing process, how we can start, how we can like collect data. So there's a whole process here, like you can say that methodology or steps. Okay, or we can say that flowchart. So here, so we have our data science flowchart, or we can say that data science life cycle also. Okay, so in this flowchart, we have first data collection. Okay, data collection. Second, we have data pre-processing. Okay, then we have data analysis, analyzing. Okay, then we have data visualization. Okay, then we have basically it is not a part of data science, but let's put model building. Next, we have deployment. Okay, that is not the part of data science, it is a part of ML. Okay, so basically, this is the part of data science and model building and deployment. This is the part of the ML. So data science flow chart, we have first data collection. In this, we will collect data from the various sources. Okay, we will use Kaggle. Okay, if you're working in a company, so the company will provide you their data. Okay, mostly we will get data in the form of CSV file or in the form of Excel file. Okay, so in this process, we will collect data from various sources. Okay, so collection of data from various sources. Okay, so for practice, we will use like Kaggle as a website. Okay, let me show you. Kaggle is a very like a good website for the databases, like for the data set. Okay, so here create your account in the Kaggle. You can click on data set here. Okay, now from here we can like use info data set. Okay, so basically for the like for the training purpose, we will use Kaggle database. Okay, Kaggle data set. But if you're working in a company or for the in the real time scenario, you will get data from the company itself. Okay, so in the collection, we will see collection of data from various sources. Second, we have data pre-processing. So in the data pre-processing, we have like various steps. So the main step or the main purpose of this step is for the data cleaning. Okay, in this we will provide the data cleaning, data arrangement, etc. So data cleaning is like suppose you have get a data, we have got a data from the Kaggle, or we have just installed a data set from our Kaggle. Okay, or we have a CSV file. Okay, let's say COVID.csv. We have this file. Okay, so the data which we have got from the outside world, it is a like a filtry data or a dirty data. Okay, it is like a data with a many errors, many duplicates value, many missing values. So we have to clean this data. Okay, to further analyze it. That is known as the cleaning process. Cleaning data means we have to remove the missing values, we have to remove the duplicates values. Okay, we have to change the data types from one form to another. Okay, etc. So that is in the data cleaning. Okay. Okay, we have to feature engineer the data. We have to remove the outliers from the data pre-processing. Okay, from the data itself. That is the purpose of the data pre-processing. Mainly the data cleaning. Okay, in the data cleaning, we will fill up the missing values. Okay, we remove the duplicates values. Okay, even we remove the outliers. Secondly, we will feature engineer the data. Okay, we will set data, so we can we are just cleaning the data. Okay, so that we can analyze it further, because analyzing depends on the quality and quantity of your data. Same in the ML, same in the DS. Okay, so we will increase or improve the quality of our data. Okay, now in the data analyzing phase, we will analyze the real data set. Okay, we will analyze the data. Right, we will do manually also, and we can apply this with the help of ML also. Okay, so it's your choice. Okay, if you're applying ML inside the data science, then you can you have to apply the ML algorithms. Okay, even you can apply, yeah, you can analyze manually also. Okay, so it is analyzing of data. Now, after analyzing, we can apply the data visualization. In this, we will visualize the data. Okay, the analyzed data. So this is representing the data in the form of pie charts or in the form of graphical representation. For example, in the form of bar charts, pie charts. Okay, in the form of heat maps, etc. Okay, that is data visualization, in which you visualize or you will represent your data in the form of graphical representation, so that you can present it to your company. Okay, in the form of graphical representation, because as you know, it is easy to analyze graphically as compared to in form of numbers or in form of tables. Okay, so in the data visualization, we will apply, we will represent the data in the form of graphical representation, in the form of pie charts, bar charts, or bar graph. Okay, or heat maps. Okay, etc. That is data visualization. Okay, now next we have the model building. It is not a part of the data science. Okay, it is basically a part of ML. Okay, in this we apply the data to a model. Okay, to the algorithms, and at the same time we apply. So in this we will apply data, or we will give data to the ML, different ML algorithms. Different algos. Okay. Basically, we can tell ML algos. Okay, machine learning algos. Okay, why we have learned different ML algos? Because suppose we have a data set. Okay, we have analyzed data. Now we have to predict, or we have to extract the predictions, or we have to predict some possibilities. Okay, so what we can do, we can apply. We can choose five best algos. Okay, so we can choose five best algos. Now with these algos, we can apply the data set to these algos. And the quality of and quantity of your data depends, your predictions, okay, or the accuracy of your prediction depends on your quality and quantity of your data. Okay, so we have apply like top five best algos, and whichever gives us the best accuracy, we can apply that and we can deploy that in the real time. Okay, that is like in modern. Okay, so we apply like we choose different five, like five or six or seven best algos in which we apply the data set, and after like whichever the algorithms like gives the best accuracy, we apply that to the real time. Okay, we deploy it. Okay, that is like another thing. Okay, basically we have to focus first on the data science, then we can move to ML. Okay, okay, even you can start your career in data science without ML also. Okay, so it is not necessary to you to start like to first start with the ML or data science. You can easily start your career in the data science without using ML. Okay, without learning ML. So you can start it. Okay. So in the data science, like flowchart, we have four processes that is like the crucial processes. First, data collection, data pre-processing, data analyzing, okay, data visualization. So we will start with the data collection. Okay, before that, let's understand the course content. Okay, so here we have the course content for data science. First, module one, two, three, like four. In the module number five, we will see the NumPy. Okay, like the Python libraries. So we will start with the NumPy. So what is the use of these libraries? Like what is the purpose of or the responsibilities of these libraries? So basically, pandas is used for data cleaning mainly. Okay, NumPy it is used for like it is like a mathematical library for Python. It is used for filling the missing values with the help of mean, median, or mode. Okay, so filling the missing values using mean, median, and mode. Matplotlib C1 is used for data visualization. Okay, both are used for data visualization. Okay, you can use any of these or you can use both. So we will use both. Okay, cufflinks and plotty. Basically, we cufflinks are used to connect plotty or Python together. Okay, that is. So this is the functions or the purpose of the different libraries. So NumPy we have it is used for filling the missing values using it is used for data cleaning. NumPy which is used for filling the missing values using mean, median, or mode. Okay, Matplotlib, Seaborn they are used for data visualization. Okay, for visualizing your data or for representing your data in the form of graphical representation. Okay, and then we have these two libraries. Okay, cufflinks and plotting. Okay, so basically, first we will see the NumPy. Okay, like we will start with the pandas only. Okay, like in this we will see the what are series into part of pandas, how to install pandas. Okay, what is pandas? Okay, what are series? What are frames? Data frames. Okay, how we can remove the duplicates value, how we can remove the missing values, or how we can fill the missing data, etc. Okay, then we will see the NumPy. So in the NumPy we will see into part of NumPy arrays. Okay, NumPy indexing, the how we can perform the mathematical operations with the help of NumPy. Okay, in the module number seven, we will see Python for data analysis, that is pandas exercises and somewhat NumPy and exercises. Okay. In module number eight, we will see Python for data visualization, like we will see Matplotlib and then C1. Okay, we will see first we will cover the basics of Matplotlib and C1. Okay, and then we will apply the basics to the data set. Okay, like how we can create bar charts, pie charts, heat maps, etc. Okay, same in the module number nine, we will see the Seaborn, basics of Seaborn, how we can apply different plots, how we can apply different charts on the data set. Okay, how we can customize them. Then module number 10, you see pandas building that is like exercise. Okay. Okay. Then we will see the plotting fix. Okay, then we will see how we can use cufflinks like plotting for the graphical representation. Okay. Then we will do a capstone project. Okay, at last we will see around 2 to 3 projects in the whole data science, the real time projects. Okay. Then we will see some part of ML. like intro part of ML, like how DS and ML are connected. Okay, and what is the difference? And okay, some like career path in ML. Okay, okay. So we'll see like intro part of ML, like we will see the classification of ML. Okay, we have like ML like classification of ML algorithms. Like we have supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, that we will see like intro part. Then we see the linear regression, that algorithm. Okay, like the basic part. Okay, of the ML, like how we can study with the ML, what like how we can study the algorithm, like what are the backend, what like how algorithm are running in the backend, etc. That we will see. So this is the whole content of data science. Okay. So after this training, like you will get familiar with how we can manage the huge data set in the like real time scenario. You are like able to analyze the huge data set. Okay, so this is the course content of data science. Now, next we have pandas. So we will see the installation process, and then we will start with the pandas. Some pandas basics. Okay, so for the installation process, you can visit your browser. From there, you can search for Python. Okay, Python download from here. Okay, so click on python.org. Okay, now from here, download Python from here. Okay, the installation process is straightforward. Okay, so click on download from here. Okay, I have Python, so I'm just closing it. Okay, then after that, installation process is straightforward. Okay, whenever you are installing a Python, just check. Okay, check the add to path option. Okay, that one. Okay, click on this add to path. Click on this and then like click on next install. Okay, then for the Jupyter, you can like search for the Jupyter book. Okay, down. Click on this Jupyter.org here. Okay, click on. Okay, so either you can like install from here or you can like install the Anaconda. Okay, also. So you can search for the Anaconda. Okay. So and Anaconda distribution. So Anaconda is a like a platform in which you will get like many IDs for Python. Like you will get VS Code, you will get PyCharm, you will get like Sublime Tester, etc. Okay, like this Spider or Scikit-learn, etc. So you can either install this or you can like install like follow the Jupyter installation process. That is pip install Jupyter notebook. Okay, let me show you. You can search on CMD. Okay, so you can search for the pip install Jupyter. This will install your Jupyter notebook. Okay, now for using it, you have to like create a folder. Okay, so let's create a folder on desktop. Okay, so folder has been created. Now we have to open your CMD from here. Okay, now type CD. Okay, and move your folder here. Okay, paste your path from here and then enter. Okay, now you have to type here Jupyter hyphen notebook. Okay, enter. Okay, so this is the interface of the Jupyter notebook. Now from here, click on new. Okay, new Python 3. Okay, so now, okay, now from here, so this is the interface of the Jupyter notebook. Okay, from here, click on help, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, from here, you can check out the shortcuts. Now, so here we have to install for the pandas. Now, what is pandas? Okay, so let's check it out. What are pandas? So we will start with the pandas library. Okay, so we can type here pandas is a powerful Python data analysis tool kit. Okay, so basically pandas is a library of Python. Okay, which is used to like analyze the data. Okay, which is used for the data cleaning. Okay, so pandas is open source. As Python is open source, that is why Python is also open source. Okay, now pandas it is a like a fast or effective data frame. So like pandas is a combination of series and data frames. Okay, we can read file, we can write file, can like read and file like write file data structures with the help of pandas. Okay, like we can read the JSON file, XML file, TST file, zip file, CSV file, or TSV file, etc. Okay, so we can write here fast and effective data frame object for data manipulation. Okay, secondly, we can write here reading and writing data structures. Okay, and effective in different effective formats. Like we can read many file formats like the CSV. We can go for the CSV. We can go for the TSV. Okay, we can go for the Excel. Okay, XML, TST, XML, JSON like key pair format, zip, etc. Okay. So basically, Python is open source. It is a Pandas is a powerful Python data analysis toolkit. Okay, it is also open source. Second, it is a like a fast and effective data frame object for data manipulation. So we can like clean the data with the help of data, like with the help of pandas. Okay, we can read file, we can write file, and the file formats are CSV, TSV, TST, XML, JSON, zip, etc. Okay, so in the like pandas is like all about the series and data frames. Okay, so we have pandas data structures. Okay, that is we have the cities, we have the data frame. Okay, so for using pandas, we have to install it. Okay, we have to install pandas. So we have to type pip install pandas. Okay, and then we have to import pandas. Okay, we have to use pandas library, so we have to import it. So first install it. So for installing, we have to clear the screen, open the another CMD here. Okay, type here pip install pandas. And okay, so this will install a pandas. Second, clear the screen, close this. Now pandas is already installed in my system. Now, what we have to do now, we have to import pandas for using it. So open your browser here, click on import. Here, import pandas. SPD. Okay, so this will import your pandas. Okay, now you have to click Alt Enter. Okay, so this is running. And whenever you see the number here, show the file. There's no error in your like in this previous code and the file and this line is successfully run. Okay. Now import pandas and PD. Now S is a allies here. Okay. So we can like use like suppose we want to use pandas. Pandas is like a library. If you want to use the pandas like functions, so we have to write pandas dot any function like series. So every time we have to write pandas, and pandas is like a big word. So what we can do, we can write pandas as PD. So PD dot series. So in place of pandas, like it is like a short form for pandas. Okay, pandas as PD. So now wherever we want to use pandas, we will use PD. Simple. Okay. Then second, we have series in data frame and like series and data frames. No. So we will understand it one by one. So combination of series are like a simple that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. They are the series. Okay, like simple series. Now data frame is like series plus series equal data frame. Okay. So we can write here series plus series equal data frame. Okay, that will be series. Okay, so series are just like numbers in sequence or the numbers in like a sequence. So let's see the pandas basics. So so basically here, like if you want to check your pandas version, so you can check pd dot underscore underscore version. Okay, underscore underscore enter. So no enter, alt enter. Okay, so this is my pandas latest version. Okay, that is this one. Okay, pandas pd version. Okay, here. Then next we have the series. How to create series in like pandas. So before series, we will create a simple list. Okay, list underscore one. Okay, so let's create a simple list. Sorry. Comma 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, you can like add like any data type value. Okay, enter print list underscore one. Okay, then let's play it. So I run it. So we have this list. Now we have to convert this list into series. Okay, so we will use series underscore one equal pd dot series. Okay, and then we have to select series. We have to type in caps. Okay, then we have to like convert list into series. So we have to mention list underscore one here. Okay, and then we can print the series itself. So series underscore one. Okay, now this is known as a series. This is a list, a simple list. This is a series. Okay, of data type int. So we have like all type of data type here. Okay, so we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my list elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5. This is like index number. Okay, of the pandas. Okay, 0. So the index number starts from 0 in Python. Okay, so as in pandas. So it is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, these are the like elements of my list. Okay, and type of elements are they're like integer values. Okay, even suppose we want to add something new. Let's say Okay, so basically this is a list. Okay, it is a combination of, we have a string here, we have a integer here, and we have a boolean here. Okay, and we are printing the list, that is apple, mango, banana, cherry, choo. Okay, then we have, okay, then we have converted my list into series. That is series PD. We are calling the PDs. Pandas means here. So series is a function of pandas. Okay, that is inside pandas library. So before calling the pandas function, we have to call the pandas library. That is why we are putting PD here. PD means this PD here. Okay, the short form of pandas. Okay, you can like name this anything like PDDD or P only P. Okay, it's your choice. So PD dot series. Okay, series is a function of pandas library. Okay, inside pandas library, and then we have a list. So we are converting the list into series. And then enter. Okay, then previously we are getting int because we have all the int values. Now in this list we have apple, we have string values, we have integer values, and we have boolean values. That's why we have got like object apple, mango, cherry. Okay, they are in sequence, and index number start from 0 to 7. So we have 8 like rows here. Okay, this one. So this is how you can create the series in like pandas. Okay, like if you want to check the type of series underscore 2 here, so you can check it out. Okay, so that is pandas dot core dot series. Basically, it is a series only. Okay, so this is one way of creating the series. Like we have a list and we have converted my list into series. Now the second way of creating the series is like we want to create series underscore 3. So pd dot series. Now here enter the list here. Inside this parenthesis, enter the list. So we can like enter anything like 8, 9, 10, 0, 1.1 or 5 or like anything, any values. Okay. Now here previously we created a list and then we are like giving the name of the variable here. In this series underscore 3, we are like putting the list here only like directly. Then print series underscore 3. Okay, so this is known as your series. Okay, that is in the float format. Okay, because we have 8, 9, so like we have two values of float. So the series converted your values in the float. Like all the values, all other values that are in, so it has converted your all the values in float. Okay, so this is how you can create series. Now, this is we have a series. Okay, we have values inside series. Okay, let's create a empty series. Okay, like empty series that we have series, or we can put empty series equal pd dot series. Okay, and then here print empty underscore series. Okay, and then we can use. So just ignore this warning. Okay, this is just a feature warning. Okay, now we have this series and this is an empty series. Okay, okay, so this is an empty series and data type is float. Okay, so by default, the data type of the series is float. Okay, so you can check it from here. Now, next we have the index. Okay, suppose we have this index number. Okay, this is by default. Okay, and the index start from 0. Now, what if you want to give your own index? Like in place of 0, 1, 2, 3, you want A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we can provide this. So let's create series underscore 4 equal, so PD series. Now we will provide a list here. Let's say list is like get put Okay, so we have this series. Okay, now like put the index here. Like if you want to change the index from here, like 0, 1, 2, 3, if you want to change it, so you can put index here, comma, index equal. Okay, then we have to provide the index number. So how many values we have? We have around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values in series. So we have to put 8 index here. Okay, like A, B, C, D, E, like this. So instead of number, we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, like instead of index number, we have the A, B, C, D, E, F like this. Okay, so this is how you can put the index number here. Okay, so and if you like, if the index number, like if you have, suppose we have 8 values and we have like remove 3 indexes. So this will throw an error. Okay, the values didn't match because we have to be like, we have to put equal number of indexes as our values. Okay, like we have 8 values here, 8 elements here, so we have to put 8 indexes here. Okay, so we can apply here gh. Yeah, we can run this again. Okay, we have around 8 values here, and the data type is object. Okay, because we have a combination of everything. Okay, now if you want to change the data type, you can change it. Suppose let's let's say we can like, put it series underscore 4. Okay, so we can put pd dot series. Okay, then provide your series. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all int values. Okay, integers. Let's provide the index number as well. Okay, so index like, ABCD. Okay, so we provide series, index number, like index range. Okay, and data type float. So this will convert your integer values into float. Okay, like if you print this series underscore 4. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, that are all in float. Okay, so now if you want to like name your series, you can easily name it. For example, you can put name here. Okay, name equal. Okay, so we have these float data types here. Okay, as a name. So you can put your series, you can give your series the name. Okay, like float data values, like anything you can give it. Okay, so we can use like as many arguments as you want. Like we can put index, we can put data type, we can put like anything. Okay, so now we will create another series, that is series underscore 5. In this we will put pd series, that is series of the, here we will put 0.5, only one value. Okay, then we'll print the series underscore 5. Okay, let's see. So we have only one value. Okay, now what if you want to repeat this value? Okay, like you want this value 3 times, same value. So we can put index number here. Index equal, we can put ABC, like 5 values. Okay. See, now we have 5 values, five same values. Okay, like 0.5555 ABCD. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so this is a second way. Actually, you can put like any data type value. You can put numbers. You can put like integer values, complex number, float number. You can put string here. Okay, so anything you can put here. Okay, so just put the index number as it is like. Okay, so this will repeat your main series value. Okay, there we have next. Now there's another way of creating the series, with the help of in the form of dictionary. Okay, so we have another series, that's series underscore 7. In this, we can also create series with the help of index, like in the form of dictionary values. Okay, like key value pairs. So A is a key, 1 is a value. B is a key, 2 is a value. So we have different five key value pair. One key value pair, second key value pair, third key value pair, fourth key value pair, and fifth key value pair. Okay, so as we have in a series. Okay, this is another way of creating a series. Okay. So we have three ways. First way, second way, we have like this. Okay, we can put index here. And third way, we have this one. Okay, that is like creating list and then putting the list name inside series. Okay, now we can like fetch the index number from the series. Okay, so let's get a simple series. Okay, for this series and underscore it equal, we can create pd dot series. Okay, so we have this simple series. Okay, now if you want to to try the series values from the on the basis of the index number. Like for example, series underscore 8 square brackets, and then let's say I want mango as a value. So you can put 2 here. Okay, so we have mango here. So you can like fetch values on the basis of the index number of a series. Okay, we have mango here. Okay, we can try this again. Okay. So on the zero position, we have apple as a value. Okay. This is like for the one element. Now, if you want to print in range, so we can provide range as well, like series underscore it. And range is like we want apple to mango, apple mango. Okay, so we put 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. Sorry, 3. Okay, we want three values apple, cherry, and mango. Okay, three values, so we have to put range like 0 to 4, 0 to 3, like one step backward. So we have apple, cherry, mango like this. Okay, okay, apple, cherry, and mango like this. Okay, We can try this again. Suppose you want value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5. So we put series underscore 8, and then from 1, so 1 is from 3. So 3 to 7. So to put 8 here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value of object data type. Okay, this is how you can put it. Now, let's create another series. Okay, so we have the series here. Now, we have two functions, max and min. Okay, max means maximum number in the series, min means minimum numbers in the series. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so we have the max value that is 244 in the series. Min value we have 3. Okay, so we can apply the max and min as well. Okay, like this. Okay, then we have, let's say, if you want to print the values that is greater than 3 or less than 3, we can put it. Like we can put series underscore 9. Okay, your square brackets, then series underscore 9. We want value that is greater than 3, let's say, or greater than 23. Okay, so we can put a greater than sign 23. Okay, so we have values like only greater than 23. That is 34, 244, 133, 244, four values. And like we have removed 3 and 23. Okay, so we have only four values, 34, 244, 133, 244. Two times. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. Suppose you want values less than 100. Okay. So we can put series underscore 9. Okay, square brackets, series underscore 9 less than 100. So we have these values which is less than 100. It is 34, 23, and 3. Okay. So this is how you can print this. No. So let's create one more series, that is S series underscore 10. Okay. Equal feeding dot series. One second. Yeah. So series, and then we will create a series of series 10 or 11 both. Okay, then we will add two series together. Okay, so we have series 10 or 11. Then we can run. Okay, so we have the addition. Okay, like 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, 3 plus 8, that is 11, etc. And so on. Okay, so this will add your series. Okay, it is as similar like a matrix. Okay, so this is how you can use this series. Like you can add two series together. Okay, now let's see. Let's save the series into something. Let's say series underscore 12. Okay, so when you run this, so run this series print series underscore 12. Okay, so we have the series. Now we can add one series with 12 series. Okay, like we can add series underscore 13. Let's say we have a simple series in this, that is mm, 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 we have one, two simple values again. Okay, three, four, seven. Okay, now we can add again series underscore 12. Sorry, 13. Yeah, 12 plus series underscore 12. Sorry, 13. Okay, so with this addition, 7 plus 1, that is 8. 9 plus 2, that is 11. Okay, 11 plus 3, that is 14. Like this. Okay, this is how we can like add two series together. Okay, so these are the basics of the Panda series. Okay, now we will see the like Pandas data frame. Okay, so let's see. So what is Pandas data frame? So we can mention here Pandas data frame. Okay, so basically Pandas data frame is a two-dimensional. It is like it is in a tabular form. Okay, like in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so we can mention here. Okay, so this is known as data frame. Data frame is it is like a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means it is in a form of tables. Okay. Form of tables means it is in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Okay. So like data frame is in the form of tables. That's it. Okay. In the form of rows and columns. That is known as data frame. And series plus series is known as data frame. Now how to create data frame? So we can here we can put, let's make another file. Okay, for that. So click on new file. Okay, you can save this file as well. Yes, you can save this file somewhere else. Okay, so we have this untitled file inside my datasets folder. Okay, so I have this file. One file, second file. Okay, so we will put here. Now first import pd, sorry, pandas as pd. Okay, now so we will create a data frame now. Okay, previously we are creating the series. Now we will create data frame. For the data frame, so we will use df underscore one for the data frame. Equal, so pd dot data frame. Okay, d and f should be capital. Okay, then print df underscore one. Okay, so this is an empty data frame in which we have zero number of columns and zero number of rows. Okay. Let's create a list here, then convert that list into data frame. Okay, then we will see the result. So we will list underscore one. Okay, so we have this list one ABC. Okay, now we will convert this list into data frame. That is, okay, now we can run this. We have this data frame in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so zero is a one. So we have only one column. Zero is a one column, and this is a index number. So here we have three rows, one column. Okay. So here we have three rows and one columns. So we can print like df underscore to check it. Okay. So we can like print this in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So like we have one single column, three rows. A, B, C is a row or zero is a column here. Okay. Now let's create another list. Okay. Then we will convert this list into data frame. Okay, so we have this list. Okay, now we will convert this list into data frame. Okay, see, now we have this list. We have like three columns and three rows. 0, 1, 2 is a column and 0, here 1 and 2. So these are rows. Okay, so don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, sorry. That's 1, 4, 5. This one, these are rows. Okay, so horizontal are rows and vertical are columns. So 0, 1, 2. So we have three rows and three columns here. Okay, so easily we can check it. Now, so there's another way of creating that data frame. So we have okay, so we have dictionary underscore one. We have this dictionary. Okay, in this we have ID is a key and 1 to 3 is a value. Okay, so we have dictionaries like key value pairs. So we have only one key value pair here, ID, and this list is a key here. So the value here of ID. ID is a key here. So now we will convert this into a data frame. Okay, that is dictionary, like sorry, D underscore 4. Okay, DS underscore 4 and then feeding dot data frame. Okay, and then we have to call dictionary underscore 1. Okay, we will call df underscore 4 here and okay, so we have this ID. Okay, so ID is a column here. Okay, so we have one column and then we have three rows. Okay, now we will try another dictionary. Okay, so we have this dictionary underscore 2. And this ID is a key and this list is a value. SN is a key, this list is a value. So we have two key value pair. So first key value pair and second key value pair. Now we will convert this key value pair, this dictionary underscore 2 into data frame. Okay. Okay, so here you can see ID is a column number 1 and ID SN is a column number 2. So we have two columns here and three rows here. Okay, so you can easily identify from here. Okay, so why like we have two key value pairs. From the two key value pairs, we have got two rows and two columns. Sorry, two rows, three rows and two columns. Okay, so this is how you can convert the dictionaries. Okay, this is like very easy. So we have few ways of the like data frame. Like first way this one. Okay, where we use dictionaries. Second way we have this simple list. Okay, third way is like we are using some one list. So by default, pandas put the 0 as a column name and 012 as an index number by default. Okay, and here we have put the column name ID here. Okay, here we have put column name as ID and SN. Okay, and if you are not like putting anything as a column name, you like the pandas will put 01 as a column name by default. Okay, like we've seen here 01, 01, 2. Okay, now next we have another that is let's say list dictionary. Okay, so we have ls address DSCD. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this list dictionary, which means we have a dictionary inside list. Okay, we have two elements inside list. We have first element and then we have second element, and we have dictionary as an element. Okay, so and inside dictionary we have two key value pairs. One key value pair, second key value pair. One key value pair, second key value pair. Okay, so we have two dictionaries inside list. Now we will convert this inside in the form of data frame. Okay, so we have AB. AB is a column name here. Okay, 01 is an index number. So A and B. Here is a column. Okay, and 101 is a row here. So we have two rows and we have two columns here. Okay, this is how you can convert like list, dictionaries, or combination of both into data frame. Okay. Now suppose we have this here C. So we can here see here. Okay, let's Okay, so basically we have this list. Inside this list, see we have one dictionary pair and then we have second dictionary pair. Okay, so in this we have inside dictionary number one we have A and we have B. Okay, so A is a one key value pair, B is a second key value pair. Same as in the dictionary number two we have three key value pairs C, D, E. Okay, now let's convert this into data frame. See, we have ABC. So ABC is the column here. Okay, ABC. And then we have values. So we have the values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here we have A and C. And here we don't have any C key value pair. So in place of C, we have value 5. But in the first conditionally pair, we have only A and B as a key value pair. Okay. So here we can put A, B, and C. C is a nan value. Okay, so pandas by default put nan values. And this is known as the missing value. Okay, so we have to fill these missing values or we have to remove these missing values. Okay, this is the main purpose of the pandas, which is like data cleaning. Okay, so this is the basics of the pandas. Okay, in this we have seen the series, how to create series, how to create data frames. Okay, the rest we will continue tomorrow. Okay, so we had seen how to create series and data frames. Okay, so rest